Everybody, it's Madi Sharif. Thanks for checking into my channel to see the best luxury hotels in Philadelphia, and welcome to the Four Seasons Hotel Philadelphia at Comcast Center. This sleek modern building is home to Philadelphia's first and only Forbes Travel Guide 5-star hotel. Upon entering the building, you're greeted by reception and your eyes are immediately drawn to the vibrant floral installation of orchids. All of the floral art you'll see is designed by celebrity floral artist Jeff Leatham and his on-site team. This is Vernick Fish, a premier modern American oyster bar and Vernick Coffee, aptly named for its chef, James Beard Award winner, Chef Greg Vernick. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about the decor were the floor-to-ceiling windows, all of the plants, and strategically placed glasses and floral installations. I so love the orchids. I'm impressed already. Vernick Fish has a light but classy atmosphere and is super spacious. The lobby is located on the 60th floor, so after leaving Vernick Fish, we headed toward the trio of lightning-fast glass elevators that would take us to the very top of the building in less than 1 minute. So yeah, the speed was enough to make my ears pop several times, and it kind of felt like I was on an amusement ride, but the views got greater by the second. Would you look at that? Just amazing. Four Seasons Philadelphia is known for its amazing views, and judging by this elevator ride, I knew I was in for a treat. And I wasn't disappointed. I literally had to stop for a moment just to take it all in. The floor-to-ceiling windows put Philly and beyond on display in the most beautiful way imaginable. There's light dancing everywhere, just bouncing off the shiny marble floors, the glass of the huge windows, the mirrored ceiling, and panels behind those stunning orchid arrangements flanking both sides of the walls. This place is a visual and sensory delight, and everything about it screams luxury. I was smiling way too hard in these photos, but it's because I was having a great time already. Mind you, we hadn't even left the lobby yet.
We have JG Sky High. Is there anything you can confirm your reservation this afternoon?
Hello.
And so this is JG Sky High. We currently serve breakfast and then an all-day menu for lunch and dinner here.
Oh, I love this.
The bar is definitely one of the most popular.
Just down this glossy staircase, you'll find the John George restaurant, which offers fine dining. Both venues are named for Michelin-starred chef John George von Gerechten. I actually made lounge reservations for myself for that afternoon, so you'll get to see much more of the JG Sky High Lounge in part 2, which will also be a food review. I love the seating areas outside of the elevators. They're super posh, and as you'll see, there are more floral installations everywhere you look, orchids everywhere. This is the Four Seasons 5-star award-winning spa. There are more than 700 pounds of healing crystals embedded in the walls of the spa, pampering guests with the healing power of crystal energy. The spa also includes a 2,000 square foot fitness center and an infinity pool with panoramic views of the city. Spa services include signature experiences, restorative and rejuvenating massages and body treatments, energy healing, and hair and nail services. Unfortunately, the spa was very busy on the day of my tour and every treatment room was occupied, so I didn't get any footage there, as well as the pool area. The areas that are generally occupied, I don't like to get, too much footage in. I like to respect the privacy of the guests. So I only took a limited amount of footage in those areas. But as you can see, the pool area and the spa are like an oasis in the city. There are those beautiful views again.
50th floor, our guest rooms are from the 48th to the 56th floor. Then we were just on the 57th floor, which is our spa and fitness center. The John George restaurant is on the 59th floor, and then our lobby, reception, and JT Sky High is on the 60th floor. So our guest rooms are actually located below the lobby.
Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be coming back with a review from the top. I'm going to be doing a food review from JG Sky High Lounge. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.